तो हेलो गाइस, आज हम लोग बात करने वाले क्लास 9 का कंप्यूटर का फर्स्ट चैप्टर के बारे में। चैप्टर का नेम है कम्युनिकेशन स्किल। Communications means to share. Communication is the covering of message by exchanging thought or informations by speech, visual signals, writings or behavior. Sender, medium, receiver. Create a message, carries the message, receiver the message. Method of communications. Verbal communications. Verbal or oral communication use words to communicate message. Example, oral, written. Oral. In oral communication, speaker word are used. Example, speech, telephones, radio, video. Written communication is not common form of communication which gives clarity to inform. Non-verbal communications without words. Visual communications is visual display of information like topographics, polographics, right symbols in elements of communication cycle. Sender message including channels, receivers, feedback, decoding. Sender is the persons who wants to covering the message. Ideals is the subject of message. This may opinion, attitudes, feelings. Encoding, the process of converting the message to be transmitted into symbols is called encodings. Channel, the persons who is interested in communicating has to choose the channels. Receiver is the process who receive the message for who the message is meant for. Decoding, the person who receive the message who or symbols from the communication tries to convert. Feedback is the process of increasing that the receiver had received the message. Advantages of verbal communications is the fast method of communications. It helps to quick response. It enables to understand the mode of the other person. It looks more reliable the other conventional methods of communications. The speaker and listener response in successions whilst they communicate in real time. अब हम लोग एक्सरसाइज की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. चूज द करेक्ट आर्टिकल्स ए एंड द. व्हाट इज द प्रिंस ऑफ बुक? I need a glass of water. I went to see the red pot. She returned after an hours. She returned after an hours. Convert the following sentence from active to passive. A number, we will read a book tonight. Passive, a book will he read by use tonight. B number, the teacher will give you instructions for science project. Passive, he given instructions by the teacher for science project. I gave him a vowel or his birthday. Passive, a vowel was given him by me for his birthday. The police have caught the thief. Passive, the thief has been caught by the police. Fill in the blanks. The words communications comes from the Latin meanings communicate. Non-verbal communications is the movement of body, hands or head to express an idea or meaning. Human express with an important tool of communications called visual communications. Communications in which language is not used is said as facial expressions, shows was confidence and feelings. 3 number, convert the following sentence from passive to active. The pyramids were built nearly 5,000 years ago by ancient Egyptians. Built pyramids nearly 5,000 years ago. B number, a stones has beginnings thrown by the kid into the river. The kid was throwing a stone into the river. The fish is eaten by the cat. The cat ate the fish. A letter written by Rachna will her brother. 4. Tick the correct option for the following underlined words. A brought a beautiful dress at the mall. Active. B number, why did she ask you to do pronoun? I left my shoes under the kitchen table prepositions. If we finish our work quickly, we can got to the movies. Adverb: on Saturdays I work from 9 to 5. Verb: write short notes. Visual communication. Visual communications, it visual display of informations like topographics, photographic, write symbols and designs. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communications without what? 8 number. Answer the following question. What is verbal communications? What are its advantages or disadvantages? Verbal or oral communications usage. Words used to communications usage. Words used to communications message. Advantages of verbal communications: it is fast method of communications. It enable to understand the mood of the other person. It helps to get quick response. Disadvantages of verbal communication: it fails to fill the gap of cultures difference between the sender and receiver. If there happens to be language the barrier due to lack of times, the delivery may be misinterpreted in the receiver does not understand instantly. There is no great interactions. Idioms of verbal communication is the speaker delivers her promise. What are the factor activities the precedents in communications? There are certain barriers which prevent us from an efficient communications like harassment and sharing message streamings etc.